Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on the Klein wire stripper multi-tool. I got a bad transformer here and I'm replacing it with this new one. And basically the connection right here calls, to connect onto there to that male end. And so I have to put on some male ends onto my new transformer leads so that this thing's gonna work properly. So I got my low voltage lead. I always like using the stripper like this, finding the side that is right for you. Slide it in place like so, and then just crimp down. And that's all it needs. Get this other one over here. My wire strippers. Get this side like that. Shove them there like so. Crimp down. There's my other leads. My black. My red and black. Just straighten these out a little bit. These came factory stripped, or I would have just stripped them and showed you how these babies work. Put this on like so.